'cause there's nothing there to hear anymore. I used to wear headphones and music blasting into my ears to drown out the voices. I used to scream so I didn't have to listen. But those voices, they could cut through concrete, 10 feet thick, 'cause they come from the inside. See, I know that now.
Hello and welcome to day 10 of the 31 days of Halloween here on my YouTube channel. So as the previous video was Medusa inspired, I wanted to do a statue inspired look as Medusa turned people to stone. So I started this look off with the Snazaroo light grey face paint and covered my whole face, my neck, my shoulders and my chest in it. I then created a darker grey by just mixing a little bit of black into the original grey that I was using and started to contour my body. So as you can see, I really heavily contoured my neck and my collarbones and also my jawline. While I was doing that, I did also dip into a little bit of white face paint to add some highlight to them collarbones. Going back to that dark grey face paint that I created, I start to contour my nose and I bring this up into my eyebrows as statues don't have eyebrows, so I cover them with this face paint. I also contour around my mouth area and of course my cheekbones. Add a little bit of texture to this statue. I get a really stiff paintbrush and put it in some black face paint and start to speckle and flick the little bits of black face paint onto my face and my body. I absolutely love doing this in makeup looks as it just transforms a whole look and just gives it more texture. I also do this with a stipple brush in some white face paint, and using that same brush and same face paint I then paint my hair white. If you wanted to be a perfect statue you could just leave it here, but I wanted to look old and creepier looking as it's Halloween, so I got some black face paint and started to create some cracks going from my hair down my face, basically over my whole body. Then using a white face paint I fill in my lips. I then covered my ears in dark grey face paint. I hate doing this but I think it just looked better with the look. The reason I hate it is because you'll find paint in your ears for weeks to come, so if you don't have to do this, don't do it. I then coated my eyelashes with some mascara and then got the Snazaroo dark green face paint and tapped it over certain areas of my body so it looked like moss. Since filming this I have bought some fake moss, and if I was redoing this whole look I would have probably used that, but if you don't have it you could just use face paint. So this is the final look. I'm actually really happy with how this whole look turned out, and it's actually quite a simple look compared to a lot of my other Halloween tutorials. So if you're going to recreate this, tag me on Instagram because I would love to see it. If you like this video make sure to press the like button down below, and if you are looking for some more Halloween inspiration then make sure you press the subscribe button as I'm uploading every day this October. And I know this is a bit soon but I am going to be doing the 25 days of Christmas as well, so if you're into that, subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram because I'm doing it over there as well. My name is @Brooke.Ellis_ over there. It's also my username for TikTok. All my social medias and discount codes are linked in the description down below if you want to go check it out. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!